on rare to get though.
Hmm.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Let's fucking go, cunt!
Nurks, screenshot it, send it to Nurks.
Oh, bro, I'm so happy.
Screenshot it, send it to
You have
Nurks.
no idea, cunt.
He's gonna be so mad. Cause he only has it for the G3.
Oh, cunt.
Just put it in general. Just put it in general and add in. Say Nurks sucks shit.
I am over the moon.
Oh,
I've only ever had one other ash black ice, and one other account got stolen like a day later, cunt.
Mm. Fuck yeah. Just shame you don't use Ash much.
Oh yeah, I know, but still, it's so
Give you
fucking
bro,
awesome.
yeah, still. Give you the F2 black ice.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Wait, I'm gonna add Nurks. Nurks.
Oh,
You big sad. What is that?
I have no idea.
Okay.
They're all so gay.
Mm.
Oh, here we go.
Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh, glory.
Yeah.
Hell.
I've got the Christmas uniform first, so it doesn't matter.
Oh, yeah. Actually, wait, I'm gonna quickly see how many normal alpha packs I have.
Oh,
I have 80 normal alpha packs.
Alright.
And then 16 Bravos.
I'm not gonna open my Bravos.
No, I was gonna say, do you want to just open the however many and be in line with me, or?
Yeah,
gonna go?
probably will.
Yeah. So you have to open 5 Bravos. Oh, mate, that is fucking beefy.
I'm equipping that. Looks like a
Equip
train
that.
cunt. Oh, bro. Here we go. Come on.
Ooh.
Let's fucking go, cunt.
You lucky bastard.
God.
Screenshot that, put it in. He's on a roll.
Oh, bro. Are you serious?
Fuck.
I'm so happy.
That's nice as well. F2 Black Ice.
Oh, bro. I'm over the moon, cunt. Oh.
What the fuck? What is that? It's cardboard and tape.
I equipped it.
Of course you did.
Oh.
It even has the recycle thing on it. Oh, back-to-back legendaries. Oh, you got the thing for it.
Yeah, there we go.
That's the bloody skin for...
I've got black ice for that skin though.
Oh.
Yeah.
If you get the uniform, you have to run all 3. What the fuck?
I don't think I've ever seen this before.
Neither have I.
It must have come out when Zero come out. That's his headgear.
What the fuck? Ying, get the fuck out of here. Ooh.
I've already got it.
Pedo stash.
I've already got it. My first duplicate. That looks like shit.
The cardboard one looks better.
That's gay.
Utility.
So how many normal alpha packs have you got?
80.
80?
Yep.
Fuck, man, I had like 100 and something.
You had 160 odd. No, it was 150. You had 149, I think.
That's actually not too bad. That's a pretty clean skin. Hey,
Yeah.
that'd look really nice with that Arctic gun skin. Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, that's gay. It's so underwhelming when you don't get black hearts for an epic.
Yeah.
That's a really nice skin.
Oh,
bro. You're kidding, cunt.
Oh. Oh, there's the Ainsley. Look, he got the black eyes.
Bruh.
He got F2 and R4C.
What the fuck?
It was from like his first. It was from like his
And he
first
just got
15
another
packs.
one.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was from like his first like 20 or 25 packs. He got the R4C, and then like
Bro.
3 packs later got the F2.
I'm so happy.
Fuck you, cunt.
I'm so happy. Because I got it on Ash, and Bliss is like, oh, it'd be really cool if you got it on the F2. 3
How
packs
many
later,
Graves
F2.
have 114 left?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's
You
opening up
all
to
of them?
Nah, not
nah,
all
up
of them.
to 80.
Yours.
He's gonna go same level as me.
Bro, by the time you finish with every pack, you're gonna have like 200k renown or some shit.
Yeah, bro, I've only
Yeah,
had
probably.
2 duplicates this whole time.
Yeah. What the fuck?
Because I haven't opened any packs on this account yet.
Yeah. Many. Like last season and this season. Like 3/4 of the way through last season and all of this
chick
season
I
I've been
know
saving up.
failed her P's test today because of the instructor. So it was the 60 zone. Yes, it was the 60 zone, right?
Yeah.
And she was doing like 50, 55, and the instructor goes, "No, it was a major thing that you did, and you went 60 and a 40, but it was a 60."
Was it a school zone?
Well, he said it was, but it wasn't. And it was traffic, so the traffic was only going like 10k.
Trace. Sometimes they can be gronks.
Yeah.
Mine was
I got
the
lucky
best.
with my instructor. My instructor was
She got in the car with me, and then she noticed because I was in my mum's Land Cruiser,
Yeah.
and she goes, "Oh, have you like traveled much in it?" And we started talking about traveling, for driving, camping, and then within 30 minutes we finished the test, and I got 103 out of 105.
That's alright.
But
Yeah, I was in
we
my
were just
instructor's
chilling.
car.
It was like we were just mates chilling, and I got my license from the person. Like,
Yeah, but mine was bloody real casual. I got in the high 90s. Because I did a bloody manual license as well. And she was saying that was one of the smoother bloody manual rides that I've had. Apparently a lot of people just
Oh,
jolt.
I got the royal skin for this gun now. I got the royal for the P90 and MP5.
Sweet.
I guess I will equip. I don't think I have a skin on that gun.
Sweet.
I hate people that say driving manual's hard, bro. Like,
It does take just a little bit to get used to it,
yeah,
but after you get used to it, it's
I
fine.
barely drive manual, and I can get in my dad's van, which is like, what, 5 meters long, 6 meters long.
Oh.
Trash.
You got scammed. Wait, how many more left?
I have 12 or something. Oh,
12 left.
yeah, 12.
So you got 80.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then he has to open 5 Bravos, and then we're even on packs.
Oh, and then you're doing the thing.
Yeah.
Wait, when's the
Yeah,
new season?
sick.
Don't know.
Yeah.
Good uniform.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, lovely.
Alright, I'm gonna.
That's a flower skin, by the way.
That was it?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, that's sick. That's like
Yeah, I
fucking
like that.
Louis Vuitton.
Yeah, I like that. I have that on Xbox. That's actually a really nice looking camo.
Yeah, it says
Yeah.
that.
It made 70.
That looks like when you're on meth, bro.
Nah, bro. It's when you're tripping on shrooms.
6 more. 5. Yes.
Ooh.
Yeah!
Oh, wow.
Oh, bro.
Ah.
Angus.
I'm loving this right now.
Bro,
I
that's
fucking
like
hate you
that's
right
3
now.
gun. That's 3 guns
Oh.
for. Sorry, that's 3 black ices for 3 really good guns.
Yeah.
Well, he got 4 though, all up.
Yeah.
Yeah, but one of them was for a shotty that you pretty much only use when you're memeing or rushing.
Oh. It's a good day to be me right now.
Yeah. 1 more.
Maybe.
Oh no, 3 more.
Oh no. Yeah, black ice, yeah.
No, I'm saying how many more packs you have.
I was saying
2
one more
more.
black ice.
I reckon your last one's gonna be a purple, but not black ice.
Hopefully.
No, but not black ice.
Ah, it's
Oh.
blue.
And
Alright,
then
how many
5
Bravo
Bravos.
packs? I don't want to open my Bravos.
Legendary.
That's actually really cool.
Yeah.
Bro,
It actually doesn't look too bad. Yeah, it's like all
I have that
jagged.
skin, but for her gun.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it actually looks nice again. Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
It's a
That's
Grimsky, so
two.
it's horrid. So
This is 3.
yeah, nice.
What is that? That for the pistol? For
Yeah,
Maya's
I'll
pistol?
equip it.
Even though you don't know what
That's
it looks like.
3. This is 4.
One
Let's
more.
see.
Last one. Another
Ooh.
legendary. Will it actually show?
Oh my god. Are you serious? Are you
Oh,
fucking
Fucking
serious?
hell.
That
oh,
is so
you're
dumb.
joking.
Jesus
I'm
Christ.
jealous that you even got black eyes.
Oh, bro.
I mean, it's shit, but like,
I
you
know.
got it.
Oh. Fuck you. Bro, that's so fucking clean. I want that on my main cam. Blank.
That is pretty lame.
That's trash. Holly, why do you keep being a fuckwit?
That's pretty blank. What the fuck is
Yo,
that?
let's
I
go.
didn't even know that was a thing.
Holly, unban Tristan. Stop being a fucking bitch.
Fuck, that's mad, bro.
It's not bad, eh?
Shit. That's wank. Neon wank.
Getting all the trash fucking packs.
Well, it can only get better. Can't get worse.
I don't know, it could get pretty bad.
Triple Mong.
I'm getting rid of all the shit skins that I'm gonna open. Yo, let's go.
That's wank.
Then I'm gonna open up all the other ones.
Wait, let's suss out this chocolate cookie Kit Kat. That's fucking trash.
That's mad.
That's the, that's the worst
That's
thing
so
you've gotten
good.
so far.
Oh, mushrooms.
Fucking mushrooms.
They are all so bad. Bro, how many fucking uncommons am I gonna get, cunt?
Quite a few.
Clearly. My last opening, like my alpha pack, I got 6 black ice.
You're opening them too fast, bros. You gotta like do some couple of circles with the mouse and stuff,
Yeah?
and then you gotta rip it. Yeah, watch, trust. Press next, then just like spaz the mouse around it around the alpha pack,
Yeah.
and then you open
No shot!
All I played about.
No shot! Oh, get fucked.
it. That's
That's
pretty sick.
that's alright.
There, bros.
That's so shit.
Looks worse than the default one.
You're not wrong. I hate all these colourful skins. They look so shit.
Mm.
Again, the brightest headgear in the fucking world.
Yeah,
Yeah?
you're gonna stand out. Stand out from the competition.
Yeah, you reckon? Is that how you do it?
Oh yeah, definitely that one's gonna do it.
I love. This is my favorite skin.
Mm.
What do you reckon? Should I equip it?
Nah,
No.
no. That's not that bad. Not that good either though. At least it looks better than the default.
Yeah, a
Actually,
little
I
bit.
prefer the default.
Yeah.
The default one's all black. I thought it was white.
I'll try your little trick again. Spaz the white fucking cursor around you said? Then open it. No. See? It's not good.
No, it's still on cooldown, bros.
Oh, okay.
Because you already used it.
True.
I think you gotta open up 2 more and then you can do it again.
I think that's my first duplicate, eh? 2 more, you
No,
reckon?
second.
So 1 more? Oh.
No, I said no more. So
Yo, let's go!
fucking Monglock. Worst operator in the game.
I love that headgear so much.
Shit operator though.
Oil spill? That's right.
Oil mong.
I like the oil spill.
Mong spill. That's trash.
Yeah, it's pretty shit. I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty trash.
It's pretty Mong.
Fuck yeah.
That's trash.
I'm gonna get nothing good this whole time.
Nah, trust.
Sick. Yeah, I reckon that'd be good for your bush strat, eh?
Yeah, true. The bush is red.
Yes, eh? All blend in
Leaves
heaps
might
good.
match up, yeah. That one doesn't look too bad.
It's alright.
It's not that bad.
Nah, I don't mind that actually. Sick.
That's pretty shocking.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Yeah, that's shocking.
Yeah, that's pretty gay.
Do you want me to message Shock to get on?
Yeah, go on. That actually looks pretty cool.
That's sick.
Oh my god.
I hate that outfit.
It's so bad. Oh my god. If I get some good shit with my Bravo packs. I haven't actually been getting a lot of duplicates, which is good.
How many packs did you have? Like normal packs?
I'm not too sure. Over 100. At 166 total.
Yeah. I don't know.
I've already got that
Obviously not.
on
I want a
Xbox.
different- yeah, fuck Xbox.
I like that.
It looks pretty good, yeah. I've got it as well.
I'm pretty sure I got it on Xbox, I think. Sick.
That's long. That is like the worst. I thought Chimera was the worst.
Look
That
at
one's
that.
definitely the worst. Mushroom.
I can't wait to have the mushroom skin on every single gun.
Yeah.
Why
That one
didn't-
actually doesn't look too bad though, headgear.
Yeah.
Because it didn't have the blue shit all over it. That's not that bad. That's shocking. What the fuck is that?
I don't even know what it is. Oh, it's a boat.
fucking Japanese boat thing.
A little Japanese boat.
Japanese
I
mong.
don't know what they're called.
That's not that bad. Did you say you don't know what they're called?
Yeah, like obviously they'd have like a proper name for it.
Yeah, that was the name of the charm.
Oh, was it? I don't know how to say that. As if this is an epic cunt. That's fucking
Oh.
dog wank.
Oh, let's go. Guess what?
What?
Just got an email about some thoughts on the way.
Fat?
Being posted. Let's go.
That's pretty
White
shit.
Mong? Yeah, it's pretty white.
Oh, it'd be really nice if they gave me like a new black ice. Is that leather?
Yeah.
Oh god. One of the new black ices would be really cool.
Do you fucking hate that outfit?
Oh,
Don't you?
bro, it's so gay.
Oh.
Again! Oh my
And you got that one
god.
before already. Oh, you're getting close to being able to buy a new operator next season.
Oh, no shot.
That's just bullet
No
pistol.
shot. Oh,
Next one's gonna be matching headgear.
thank god.
Matching headgear.
No.
That's Mong ass.
Little Ash TV, I've already got it as a duplicate. Come on, something decent, please.
That's wank.
I just got a pistol for that as well. Come on, another shot. Please. Oh, why did you just fuck me?
Those ones look like fucking strawberry milk for some reason. I don't know why.
You
Like
reckon?
the fucking. Yeah, cause it's got like the cow pattern, but
Fuck
it's
yeah.
got pink. So
You got
just
waves.
Fucking, you got waves, bros. That's not that bad. Oh, you already got it.
Yep. Come on, please. Oh my god.
That's Mong as.
Oh, no shot, cunt.
That's trash. That's proper dog wank.
Come on.
It looks like a Mong. Paramong.
Oh my god. That'd be good for the bush shed as well.
Yeah. It's the same skin.
fat, a little bird. Damn. Little pizzeria hat.
Win bong.
That's so shit.
Yeah.
Like, who comes up with this?
Actually, that'd be pretty good for the bush.
But like, I bet some bloke was like, right? He just had a kid. His kid did shit. And he's like, "Yep, I'm gonna make a fucking skin the same color as that." Oh,
I don't get why they put so many shit skins in. Like, who's using them? Like that. That's just wank. Actually, that's good for the bush. I might have to buy that one.
you reckon?
Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't look too bad.
They look better in the menu than in the game.
Yeah. So it doesn't look fucking awesome. As soon as you open the pack, it's gonna look dog wank.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
You just got
Have
it
another
like
look
5
at it.
seconds ago.
Come on, something good, come on.
Have another look at it.
Nah.
That's not that bad.
But I've already got like good shit for IQ.
Oh,
Yeah.
now you can have other good shit.
Yep.
That's long.
Some new headset. Come on, please. Come on.
Have you even gotten a single black ice yet?
Nah.
That's wank. Bros, you're not doing a mouse trick, bros. It's on cooldown already, bros.
Oh, is it cooled down?
Yeah, bros.
Oh, I'll try it already.
It's ready for use, bros.
Is that enough or anymore?
No, I reckon a couple more seconds.
Alright,
Alright, rip it open.
alright.
See that, bros? Boom. New camera. That's fucking bog ass.
Oh, I can't.
So, bros, you got a new camera.
Yeah, I'm gonna chuck that
Gotta
one
be
on
worth
as
something.
well.
Alright, bros, it's on cooldown now.
Alright.
I'll put the timer on for you. Oh, 2 minutes.
Can't all my packs are gonna be gone in 3 minutes.
No, 2 minutes, bros. Just
Slow down a bit, you reckon?
yeah, slow down a bit.
Alright,
Yeah.
just
That's it.
put it on slow-mo.
Crack it open. Yeah. That's pretty good for cool fast push.
Yeah. I'd expect
Same.
that. I've
Yeah,
already
that's
got it
good.
on like 5 times on 5 different guns.
That's right. Now you can have it on 6 different guns.
Sick. Green helmet.
Wait, bros, 1 minute left on the cooldown. Fucking Jamiro.
Here we go. Yep. Let's go.
It wasn't cooldown yet, bros. Slow down.
Come please. Oh Lord, what?
Oh, you got a mini camera.
Oh, I got a big
In
camera
case-
now. I got a mini camera.
In case someone wrecks your main one, you got a backup.
I got the 3D camera, lad. Oh, look, I love the cameras. I'm gonna equip them all.
Camera charm coming up.
I wish.
That would look sick on a gun. It looks long as in the outfit.
Yeah, sick.
Wait, Buzz, I reckon 2 more packs.
2 more.
It'll be off cooldown.
So on the
Buzz.
on the 30th pack, you reckon?
Yeah. Oh, it's confidential, bros. Don't look inside.
Is it your dick pics?
No. Oh, no, that's wank.
Why is she standing like that?
Neon wank.
Why is she standing like why are her arms so far apart?
I don't know, bro. She's on the shopping bag.
Alright.
So here we go, bros. Power up. Charge it up, bros.
Children.
Yeah. Nah, you didn't do it long enough.
What do you mean?
Redo it, bros. Redo.
No, I wanted that skin as well. That's why I had saved up 166 packs for this one skin.
Yeah.
I love it.
No, you didn't do it long enough, bros.
Do it again.
Keep going, bros. Like, yeah, I'll tell you when to crack it open, bros.
Alright.
Ready? Ready? Let's get going, bros.
Alright.
A little bit more, bros.
Yep.
Alright, ready? 3, go.
I'm not doing it for long. Oh my god. Got the fresh shades on and that.
No, you gotta do it faster. Let's keep it at 5 seconds.
No.
Move the mouse around. No, bros, trust.
Oh,
you
let's
gotta do it 5
go.
seconds. 5 seconds. Move it
Alright,
around
ready?
real quick. 5 seconds. Crank it open. Ready?
1,
1, 2, 3, go.
Come.
See you, bros.
No shot.
I mean, it's not a pretty shit gun.
Yeah. I'll equip it to all anyway.
Just in case you ever use it. Yeah. Alright, bros, don't worry. It's on cooldown now.
Oh, sick.
10 pack cooldown.
Let's go. I love
When
that
you're on
skin.
15 packs, do it again, bros, trust.
Alright. I hate when you get headgears. It's so close to the cunt's face.
Yeah.
He was staring at me like a big mom. Come on, please. Oh my god.
Woodland Mong. But that'd be good for the bush though, eh?
True, I didn't think of it. Sick. That's so gay.
Why is he standing
Well,
like a
I
Mong?
mean, I got the Ash one, so may as
you
well
already
get
had
the
it,
Jaeger.
though.
Yeah.
That looks like a Mong.
I've
Look,
already
just
got the
this
full
neon pink
outfit.
ones,
I
bro,
already
they
got the
look
full
so bad.
outfit.
Yeah,
I already got
it
the
too,
full
I
outfit.
think.
That actually looks pretty good. I like that.
Yeah, it's pretty wank. I mean, pretty good.
I'll equip that.
Yeah, that's mad. Alright, buzz.
No, one more after this one. You said the 15th.
Yeah, I know. One more, I was gonna say.
Alright, ready?
Let's go, buzz. Ready? Alright, we're going for 7 seconds this time.
Alright, I'm already going.
Yeah. Crack it open.
Alright.
Bang.
Bang.
Guys.
I've already got it, I think. Oh no, I got it on Xbox.
That's not too bad.
It's alright, I'll equip it. We won't talk about that one.
No, I reckon you do it on 10 this time. 10, 5.
I like the
then three,
good
two,
luck
one.
skin for Twitch, but I've already got Black Ice for it, and
Yeah.
I've got a better skin.
Well, I reckon you should do it on 10. And
Yeah.
then do it on 5. And
Yeah.
then 3, 2, 1.
Nah.
Yeah.
You reckon?
Trust. Yeah. Yeah, alright, so do it on this one. There.
I swear to
Like
God.
guys.
Oh, the royal skin for the shotgun. I'll equip it
Okay.
if I ever use the shotty.
That shotgun's actually pretty good.
It's not bad. I just don't ever play fucking Mirror or Jackal.
Yeah. They always put the good shotguns on the fat monks.
Yeah, I know.
Like fucking Doc's got the best shotgun, but there's nobody that's actually half decent to use the shotgun with.
It would be too powerful if it was on 2-speed. If you made it on 2-speed with like impacts, that'd be pretty good.
There's heaps of 2 speeds with impacts.
No, but like with that shotgun.
Yeah. Well, the shotgun would beat impact. Alright, ready, bros?
Alright,
Gotta do it on 5, and then 3, 2, 1, bros.
yeah.
Yeah, bang.
Didn't do it long enough, did I?
No.
Alright.
Just crank this one open and then do it on the next one, bros. Yeah, fucking Chimera. Alright, bros, ready? 7 seconds, bros, ready? I'll crank it open. See that, bros?
Yeah.
That's solid. That actually goes good with the headgear.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Don't worry, bros. It's building up. This last one's gonna be something, bros.
Yeah?
Yeah. I reckon 20 seconds to this one, bros.
20 seconds. 20? I don't think
Yeah.
so.
That, so you did do a lot,
Oh.
huh? That's actually
I
not
don't
that bad.
Alright, now the Bravo packs.
Oh, bravo, bros. This one you gotta do at least 30 seconds. It's the
Oh,
same as like the yellow skin.
yeah. Sick.
That's pretty wank. Bros. What the fuck?
It's fucking huge, cunt.
That's Mongo's.
Oh, here we go. Come on, please.
You can buy that, can't you?
I'm not too sure.
I'm pretty sure you can for like 10,000 renown.
That's not
That
bad.
looks pretty good.
Oh no, uncommon. Wow.
As if they got common headgears in the fucking Bravo packs.
Yeah, I know.
That's wank as.
Bro, my
That's
last
proper
alpha pack
wank.
was like opening was so good. I got so many black ices.
Yeah, I had to see how to balance it out with this one.
Yeah. Sick.
Oh shit, that's like the shittest skin I've ever seen.
I don't know, this one looks pretty shit.
Nah, the last one was definitely a lot more shit.
Oh, here we go. Oh, you got that!
Yeah.
We could run it together.
How? We're both gonna play Frost.
And
Oh,
Malusi.
Melissa's got it. Yeah, true. I'll just do it.
Yeah, good luck.
Good wank. That's pretty good for the bush, eh?
Oh, please. Please, come on. I've already got it. I don't. But I've got black ice on that skin, so. No shot!
Bull wank, bros.
No
That's my
shot!
main, bros. Why doesn't it put on the scope?
I don't know. It's a
Let's go.
detachment.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's true, it isn't.
Carly's got no attachment skins.
Well, I got
That's a
black
fat
ice for Kelly's
suppressor.
sniper, so.
Yeah, but sniper main. That's my mom, bros.
But I got Monty and Blitz now.
Now you got Mong Tang and fucking bitch.
I got both of the fucking shields black ice.
That's gas.
I'm happy with that though. That's shit. Come on.
Oh, full sleeve black Mong.
Oh, that looks actually really nice. But I got that other skin. Or that for the.
Put
that-
one on Mozzie and one on Aruni.
Yeah. Come on, please.
No.
Oh, that's good. I'm happy with that. 3 black ices. Let's go. I may as well look
All of the headgear swear look the same.
Sick.
Oh, that's good for the bush.
Bro, give me the SMG 11 black ice, please. Come on.
Nah.
Oh, I've got the full set for Ash now. I've got the Alpha set and this gun now. Come on, SMG 11. Oh, what
the fuck is that?
Oh, just
How
look
come you
over
can't
it.
see it?
What's he meant to see? Come on. Yes, I wanted
pretty
this as
good.
well.
That's fucking sick.
I think that's the best thing I got now.
I had a quick hold.
I'm not equipping a fucking bone to all my guns, gun.
Why not?
There is no fucking shot.
I reckon on the last one, bros, you gotta do it for 10 seconds, bros.
Alright.
Yeah.
If I get that, if I get
That's
the body
pretty
gear
good.
for Maestro, I'll equip the whole set. But it's a legendary, so. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Go on.
I reckon like 10 more seconds to get the timer out. I'm watching the clock. Ready?
The last pack.
Alright, ready? 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, is it gonna be the body
Nice.
gear? Is it gonna be the body for the fucking Maestro set? No, it's not. That's
It goes with the shotgun skin though.
yeah. Her eyes look really cool. That was it. That's gay.
No, these ones first.
Oh, oh, oh.
Ooh, ooh. Oh,
That's not bad though. I like that skin.
no, not what I want.
Ooh, ooh.
Things that are damaged.
Ah.
You've got Blitz Black Ice, you got the Legion SMG, you got
I got that skin. It's pretty cool.
what else did you got the AK. No, I'm pretty sure there's something else you got as well. Please. Pretty much everything. I think I have 1 or 2 Black Ices on this.
Bro, you were getting
LA.
that. Oh, bro.
No, I want the LA. That's like the one thing I want. What was 416 again? I don't play too much anymore, so I would like the MP5 though, because I play a lot of releasing.
MP5 would be really nice.
Yeah.
Oh. I got
No, I
that.
have this. Oh no.
I got that. I didn't get the uniform though. That looks shit. Oh.
Ah.
What a shit headgear.
Yeah, I know.
A little ace chibi.
No one likes these shitties.
Spiderweb.
Too many charms in this game.
There is a lot of charms.
3 charms in a row. Next thing you know, I'll get a legendary. Oh, sorry, purple charm.
That's clean. I like that.
Legendary charm. Sorry, purple charm and then legendary charm.
Pretty cool pistol.
All these camos I think I already have, but I have them on Xbox. Legendary charm. What? Purple
It's the
beanie.
beanie. Yeah,
That's-
it's the beanie.
That is the difference there. Great.
Yep.
Great. What
The fuck is that?
Tiny troll. Why? Why? Please, I just want a black ice.
I want you to get hamburgers.
Yes, I would love hamburgers. No, these ones first.
Oh my
Jumper.
god.
The charms, man.
I've got that on my Xbox account. Ooh, revolver black ice.
One taps is
I've got that as well. On PC. That's shit. Oh. That's hard.
yeah, that's the pistol I had black ice on already. I'm pretty sure
Yeah.
it's wearing the black ice.
Yeah, only one.
I think so.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't open too many packs.
Oil spill. I like that
Yeah,
skin though.
Black ice. The oil slick, yeah, the oil slick skins do look nice.
Oh. A nice bright white uniform for you, mate.
White and red uniform. Yeah.
And the Maverick charm to go with it.
There's this much away. Oh yes, nice bright camo.
I love them in Vale. It's mad. They're all like that as well. Nice and bright.
Gosh, you can take them if you want. I'm not gonna eat them.
See? Nice and bright.
Yeah, another charm. As if I don't have enough already. Yeah, another one. What?
But I ain't getting wang for ages.
Yep.
Oh, here we go. Oh, you got the headgear to go with it. You got the uniform now.
Hell yeah, I can be a chef maverick. And I can be seen through all of my maverick holes. Because I'm fucking bright white and red.
That's the way.
Bright blue hat.
Demon Vale. Demon Vale again. Oh no.
Shit.
Spores.
Gotta love the spores cameras. Ew.
Yes, acid rain. Get waves. Damn. Oh, black ice. Oh, that's pretty cool. I like that. It's the universal one.
Skin. That's actually not too bad.
I wanted to get the Arctic one, but I didn't get any.
The good thing about being like a new account, being my first real alpha pack opening, is that I barely have duplicates.
Yeah.
That's a purple. Are you shitting me?
Yeah, bro, it looks sick as. Epic. Yes. Black ice. Oh. Legendary. Damn. After your next pack, it's going to be an epic. And it's going to be Ash, Awful, say Black Ice. Damn.
No, you're wrong.
I mean, the next one after this one. Ready? Oh, hamburgers?
Oh, hamburgers.
In 4 goes. Starting now. Ready? You'll get the Deagle Black Ice, I reckon. 2. 3. 4. This one. Damn it. Your first Bravo pack will be a legendary, but it'll be shit. Oh. Oh. Shark shot.
Alright, that pistol as well. That's not one that one.
Oh, yeah.
And no bravos. want to open 5. Yeah. Alright. You can open the first 5.
The first one's gonna be a legendary, but it's gonna be shit. I reckon it'll be the charm.
My brother's opening the first 5.
Oh. Oh! No shot! They took that 1.5 off her as well, by the way. There you go, another black ice. Deagle.
Much too good.
That's not bad. Got the AK.
One more, Josh.
One more.
Alright,
Let him open one more.
Hey, got one of the food charms.
Oh.
Oh, 2 more. You get 2 more. You get this one and 1 more, and that's it.
Yeah, let him play down to 24. Damn. He started strong though. He started
He
strong.
did start real strong.
He did a lot better than you.
Yeah, he did do a lot better than me.
Oh, here we go.
No.
Oh. Oh.
No.
Oh. Unlucky. You have been getting like good skins. They're just not black ice. Oh, there we go.
Yo.
Wait, nah, you run Blitz, I run Monty.
Yes, you run Monty, I run Blitz. Let's go. The black ice.
Fallen leaves. Deagle. Oh. MP5. Oh, the royal skin.
Next, my brother's calling next purple black ice. Yeah, another charm.
SMG 11.
Black ice directions.
Oh, now you got the full set.
Yeah.
MP5. Damn it.
This isn't a bad skin.
You gotta let us guess when you get a purple, alright?
Alright. Pretty sure they do. Angus, do the Bravo packs have all the black ices in them?
Yes.
Yes.
Alright, let us.
Thank you, Josh.
Is a black ice.
No, for what?
Okay, it's the
Yeah, you have to exactly as it is, Josh.
going to be sledge shotgun.
I reckon it's gonna be Legion SMG.
Sled shotgun leaves.
Oh, no!
Maverick AR.
Oh. Alright, let's just get SMG 11.
SMG 11. What's your guess, Josh? It's not a black ice. Josh's guess is not a black ice.
Ah, a shitty charm.
Oh,
Deagle.
Josh said it isn't.
Oh, NPX. Oh, that's nice.
Next one is a black ice.
Josh is saying next one is a black ice.
I reckon it's gonna be the M80 Black Ice. Ready? M80?
M80 and pulse pistol.
Ah. I reckon next purple will be an MP7.
I want an MP5, not an MP7.
MP7.
I don't know, I've got the MPX, and I'll get the MP7.
Oh, last pack.
Josh
What
says,
will it be?
if this is a purple, it can be F2.
Ah.
Oh, I don't care, I'm happy.
You did get some good skins that I don't have.
First sleeve, who did I get?